Welcome to our state-of-the-art snake leather factory. Today, I'll take you through the complete journey, from ethically sourced snake skins to luxury fashion.
Every snake is monitored under strict ethical and veterinary standards.
Every skin is meticulously inspected for quality, pattern consistency, and structural integrity.
Every jacket receives our signature of quality.
This batch record shows 50 units, but the scan only confirms 30.
Yes, I noted the discrepancy. The rest are in aisle 4.
Nothing is wasted. Sustainability is part of our process.
Expert designers create patterns that maximize the natural beauty of each unique skin.
Every piece is inspected before moving to assembly.
The finishing process adds final touches that transform good craftsmanship into luxury fashion.
Premium dyes create the rich colors demanded by luxury fashion houses.
Premium silk lining ensures comfort and durability.
Multi-point quality inspection ensures only perfect pieces reach our customers.
The scale pattern matches the CITES permit exactly.
And the microchip scan is clear. We can approve this shipment.
The tanning process transforms raw skins into durable, workable leather through carefully controlled chemical treatments.
In our assembly department, master seamstresses bring the jacket to life piece by piece.
Chemical levels are monitored constantly to ensure perfect preservation.
Move it just a fraction to the left. Here. Here. Yes, that blends perfectly now.
Our process begins at certified ethical breeding farms, where snakes are raised in humane, controlled environments.
Python, grade A, size 12.
We have 3 more vipers ready for the red bin.
This cobra is almost perfect.
The humidity levels are stable at 15%.
Good, the skins are drying evenly across the zones.
We need to take this in just a centimeter at the waist. Hold still, please. How does the shoulder feel?
Okay guys, so this snake leather jacket is everything. I am obsessed with the texture and the fit, and you have to check it out.